Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you press emergency on your iPhone lock screen. When faced with an urgent situation, your iPhone offers a critical feature. From the lock screen, simply tap the emergency button located at the bottom of the screen. This action immediately brings up a dial pad, allowing you to call local emergency services like 911 or 112 without needing to unlock your phone. It's designed for quick, direct access when every second counts. Beyond just dialing, your iPhone also features emergency SOS. By holding down the side button and one of the volume buttons for a few seconds, or rapidly pressing the side button 5 times, you can activate this. It automatically calls emergency services and then alerts your pre-selected emergency contacts. These contacts receive a text message informing them of your emergency, along with your current location, which updates if you move, providing crucial, real-time information. Another critical component accessible from the emergency screen is your medical ID. This feature allows first responders to view essential health information about you, even if your phone is locked. After tapping Emergency, you'll see an option for Medical ID. Here, you can store crucial details such as allergies, medical conditions, blood type, and even organ donor status. This information can be invaluable in providing appropriate and timely medical care during an emergency. To maximize the effectiveness of these features, it's vital to keep your emergency contacts and medical ID information current. Regularly review and update these details in your health app. Remember, the emergency call function is strictly for genuine emergencies. Misuse can have serious consequences. While widely available, specific emergency numbers like 911 or 112 depend on your geographical location. Be prepared and understand how these tools can assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.